Welcome to Robotics Unlocked. Here you can learn robotics through interactive learning. You might be wondering, why did I even make Robotics Unlocked? You're right to ask. I made Robotics Unlocked because one day I asked my friend, Bro, why don't you learn robotics with me? He said, Nah, bro, I'm good. It's just a whole new step, a very big step to say. I told, Why do you think so? He told me that the learning curve is too great. He told that you have to learn how to prototype on a breadboard, how to solder, how to have fun with hardware, how to even code the hardware. So I thought, why not make a website to help users overcome this learning curve? So I made Robotics Unlocked. Let me give you a quick overview of the features of the website. Here is the dashboard you can see. Then we'll go to video tutorials. Here you can see that I personally made videos to explain some robotics concepts. Let's watch. Let's click on watch. Here you can see my video. It's linked to you. Then you can go to the challenges page. Let's say you watched the first video and then you went to the challenges page. The first challenge. Did you understand the video? Let's retry the challenge. What are the core concepts of robotics? A mix of hardware and software. Can robotics be learned by everyone? Only the cool kids. No, everyone can learn robotics. Submit. Yay! Perfect score. You might be wondering, why is this code and what is this code and why do I need this code? Here, we have an AI feature that explains this code. Let me quickly press this. Here is the explanation of the code. You might be thinking, why do I even need this code, bro? You will see later. Go to the build projects page, and here you will see two projects linked. And now it will click. The challenges where you unlock the code will help you write the code of the first project. Then you go to the symmetries page. This took me too long to build. Then you will go to breadboard. You might be thinking, what is even a breadboard? A breadboard is used in robotics to quickly prototype circuits. Now I'll build a simple circuit on this breadboard. Let's click an LED. Then we need some power, voltage source, and then an microcontroller. Here, let me push on this. Now let me click on wire this circuit up. Yeah, I created a circuit. Now let me test this circuit if it works or not. Run simulation. Here you can see that the circuit is valid. Oh no, but one thing, there is no ground reference. What do you mean by ground reference? You can go to the ground and click on this, select, drag, drag the ground reference, quickly wire this up. And now when you run the simulation, it will show a valid circuit. So you can quickly test your circuit before making it in real life. Let's say you did not even understand the circuit. Okay, I've implemented an AI tutor feature. It's like a widget wherever you go. Let's say on this page you did not understand everything. You can click on this and ask it a question. So we were in this breadboard. Okay, let's ask the AI tutor. What do you mean by sensors? It will give you explanation. Then we will quickly go to the story mode. No, sorry, the soldering mode. Here, this is the most difficult part where many fail. Why? Because it is very scary and dangerous. So let's say you want to learn soldering. Here you can place components. Let's place a component quickly and IC. Here you can see that I have a feedback page here. You can see positioned IC at the coordinates. Now solder pads. It is telling me to solder the pads. Click on the soldering pen. Here a soldering pen will appear. And then solder. The hit box is green. Now solder. As I'm a soldering expert, I got it correct. Now let me solder the other pad. Yeah, nice. Now you can see the feedback. Perfect joints. But you might be saying, hey, I am a beginner. How will I know if I did wrong? So let's say you select too high of a temperature of the soldering pen, and let me try to solder. You can see smoke coming out of the pen, and when you try to solder, the feedback will say overheated. So no, you have to lower the temperature. But let's say you lowered the temperature too much. Now you checkbox is set. Now let me do. Now it is saying cold joint. Oh no. Now you know to not put the temperature too low. Then you say you put a perfect temperature, good temperature range, and then you try to solder. Oh no, what happened? Why is it blue? Oh no, you put too much solder. You have to learn to stop. So here in this page, you will learn how to solder, and with patience, you can become a solder master like me. Here you can also see tutor tips, the best soldering practices the tutor is giving me. Then let's go to the hardware. Here I just made a basic page where you can toggle with LEDs if you want to have fun. Here the the AI tutor also gives you some feedback. There are also system logs, so you know what the tutor is giving feedback about. Then story mode. This is the fun page. You might say, why the fun page? Because guess what? I give you a challenge and you have to make circuits to solve the challenge. So I live in Odisha, and Odisha faces cyclones that are very devastating and floods that fill the roads and houses and kill and displace many people. So here I gave you a challenge. The scenario is you are in rural Odisha. Monsoon floods are a constant threat. Villagers need an early warning system to detect rising water, and you need to make a circuit that works and must works with these constraints. Then you'll see the required components used. Then you'll start level, starting. Then you will quickly go and make a circuit. I am just speed running this because I know this and this is a video demo, but you can take your time. Here is the voltage source. Yes. Oh no, I missing out a little bit. Here is the voltage source, the ground, the Arduino. Now let's arrange these. Wire these up. And quickly run the simulation. Alright, circuit. Now let's complete the level. Right, missing required component. Oh no, I missed a component. Buzzer. Let me quickly put the buzzer. So as you can see, the system also checks it. Not just blindly tells, oh great, but it also checks it. So let me complete level now. Here, you completed the level successfully. The level 2 is unlocked. You can do many more levels with this. In total, there are 5. Here, there is also your average score, how many levels you have unlocked. Then let's go to the analytics, workspace simulator. Let's One major thing about robotics is that there is too much danger. So I made a workplace safety simulator to teach students how to know and predict danger. This is a basic circuit here. Let's start simulation. Oh no, what is happening? There are so many errors. You can click on one, static electricity discharge. Learn more. Technical details. Static electricity discharge happened. Oh no, what to do? You can click on here and see the safety event, low severity, and prevention tips. Let's say this is a small circuit, but let's say you're building a big one. Show components, and you can quickly add more components and run the safety simulator and learn about safety. Very important. Then here's the analytics page where I visualize how much progress you have done. This gives students a boost in learning as they can see their progress. Then the leaderboard. This gamifies the process, how many badges you have earned, where you are in the place. Then you have the admin page. Here you can add videos and add challenges as the admin. Then the AI tutor, as you saw, I asked you a question. And these are all of the features of my website. And one thing to make it sweet looking, dark mode. You can quickly select a dark mode and quickly go to the challenge and quickly see in dark mode. Thank you for listening of my features of my website, and I hope you liked my website.